You know those people who seem to always drag you down and hold you back? Well, those are the ones we're going to talk about in this episode. We're about to unveil 7 of these types of characters that you absolutely need to recognize and should stay away from. By understanding these patterns, you'll have the power to protect yourself and build healthier relationships with others. Number 1. The public conflict seeker. One of the types of individuals to be cautious of is the public conflict seeker. This person deliberately seeks out conflicts with you in public settings, instead of addressing issues privately. Picture yourself engaged in a disagreement with this person, only to have them purposefully initiate an argument in front of your spouse or others. Their goal is to gain support or manipulate the situation in their favor, putting you on the spot and potentially causing embarrassment or distress. It's essential to recognize this behavior and understand that healthy communication should occur in a respectful and private manner, allowing for open dialogue and resolution. Number 2. The responsibility avoider. This individual consistently refuses to take ownership of their actions and tries to rewrite history. Even when faced with clear evidence contradicting their claims, like videos or messages, they persistently deny their involvement or pretend to be ignorant. Interacting with a responsibility avoider can be frustrating and draining, as they evade accountability and fail to acknowledge the consequences of their actions. It's crucial to set boundaries and prioritize relationships with individuals who show integrity and a willingness to take responsibility for their behaviors. Number 3. The constant fault finder. Next on our list is the constant fault finder. This type of person always seems dissatisfied and constantly finds fault with you. Whether it's a friend, partner, or someone else, they continuously discover new problems with what you do or don't do for them. Imagine having a partner who consistently criticizes your choices, habits, or actions, regardless of how hard you try to meet their expectations. This can be emotionally draining and harmful to your self-esteem. The constant fault finder tends to criticize relentlessly, often disregarding your positive qualities and rarely expressing appreciation for your efforts. In healthy relationships, constructive feedback and appreciation should coexist, fostering mutual growth and support. Number 4. The grudge holder. The 4th character to avoid is the grudge holder. This person has a hard time letting go of past grievances and holds on to resentments for extended periods. They tend to bring up old conflicts and use them as ammunition in present disagreements. Interacting with a grudge holder can feel like walking on eggshells, as their unwillingness to forgive and forget can hinder the growth of relationships. It's important to recognize that healthy relationships thrive on forgiveness and the ability to move forward. Number 5. The ghost type. The 5th one on our list is the ghost type. This character is known for being unreliable and constantly flaking out on commitments. They have a habit of disappearing without explanation, often leaving you hanging and wondering what happened. Interacting with a ghost type can be frustrating and lead to a lack of trust. It's essential to prioritize relationships with individuals who demonstrate reliability and respect for your time and efforts. Number 6. The drama magnet. The drama magnet seems to attract drama wherever they go and thrive on chaotic situations. They tend to exaggerate and blow things out of proportion, turning even the simplest situations into dramatic events. Interacting with a drama magnet can be emotionally exhausting and destabilizing. It's crucial to surround yourself with individuals who value peace and stability, allowing you to maintain a healthy and balanced lifestyle. Number 7. The energy drainer. The energy drainer constantly seeks your attention and support, often venting about their problems and seeking advice or validation. While it's important to be there for others, the energy drainer takes it to an extreme, consistently relying on you as their sole source of emotional support without reciprocating or considering your needs. Interacting with an energy drainer can leave you feeling emotionally exhausted and overwhelmed. It's crucial to establish boundaries and encourage them to seek help from multiple sources to maintain a healthy balance in the relationship. Dear brothers and sisters, it's important to recognize the negative impact certain character traits can have on our relationships. By understanding these traits, we can make smarter choices about the people we surround ourselves with. It's crucial to have individuals in our lives who value open and honest communication, take responsibility for their actions, and appreciate our efforts. These qualities contribute to healthier and more fulfilling relationships. In our next video, we'll be exploring the topic of finding the right people to have in your life. We'll discuss the qualities that make relationships nurturing and meaningful. So, stay tuned.